Hi, Tony here again from Bathroom Spare Parts. Today we're looking at seat dampers. We're going to have a look at this GSI seat, but this refers to a lot of Italian manufacturers. Sometimes there's a few problems when you receive the seat. People have been letting us know that they're not sure how to align the dampeners or if they're correct. So hopefully we'll show you that. We're going to use a Duravit pan. It's not the exact seat for that pan, it's just convenient because we've got one in the display here. So we'll try and show you through the connections. So the way to do it is to get the Allen key and loosen the grub screw so you can get this part in. Might be worth taking it out to make sure you can get past the end of it. Then you can put the connection in, and then look, you can lift the dampener, as you can see what I'm doing. Let it go through till it's level now with that dampener. As you can see, these have got masking tape on. Now the reason they put this masking tape on is to hold these in place because they come out very easy, the whole dampener. So that's why you've got the masking tape in there. So to fit the seat, it's easier for these dampers to actually be looking down. So you can see we can move them nicely down like that. Same with this one, put it in, move it down like that. Just so you're aware, you need to make sure that the grub screw isn't protruding through and interfering with the pushing down onto the hinges. So make sure the grub screws, obviously you've got Allen key if you want, or if you're more comfortable, take them out, but obviously you've got to put them back. So the next part is the bolts. Now these are the bolts that go through the toilet pan. They're very clever, so you can see toggle bolts. So you put that in that position and it will go through the hole, and then you give it a whip and it drops, and then you can tighten that up because you've got resistance on that flat part of the toggle bolt. So you just move the washer up so that goes nice and flat. Drop it through. It's just a case of now spinning it up, which is the boring part for you. And it's now gripped. You can tighten. Don't have to go mad. Same with this one. Plate up, toggle down through the hole. Nip it down till it gets, feel it tightening again. So I think it's always worth putting a little bit of the silicone on it. It just makes it easier. Make sure you don't damage the O-ring, because there's only one O-ring. Right, I'll just show you what this is like when you've got a back to wall pan, which is solid all the way down here, which we'll show you in a minute. So that under here is not accessible. You can't hold it, turn it, do anything. So it's in here. So these again are very clever. So you would drop down in, then you can feel it, pull up. So now you just need to hold it while you turn. Difficult probably to see on the camera, but I'm just keeping it upright. As long as you're pulling that metal toggle up, it'll enable you to turn and turn and turn and turn. And once you get near the end, you'll use a spanner. And there you are. So even if you can't get at that, these are clever little fixings. And you can actually, you still can take them out as well, but sometimes it will fall down in there. Right, so now hopefully these are in the correct spots. Oh, look at that, sits down absolutely perfectly. And all it is now is a case of make sure this locking Allen key's done up so no one can pull it off. Same that side. That goes nice and tight. There we have one soft closed toilet seat. Obviously we have a good stock of seats and spares for seats, i.e. the dampeners you saw me mucking around with earlier. So you can either go to bathroomspareparts.co.uk or you can go to choicereplacementtoiletseatshop.co.uk. Obviously you can contact our tech team as well, we're here to help. We've got specialists in toilet seats and that's all they deal with. So please phone in, you can utilise their expertise, they can help you out with installation problems via email or by the phone, whatever's convenient for you, please get in touch.